question just in the 7th grade. But now moving on. Now another monorail accident is being reported from Mumbai. The accident has occurred at the Wadala depot. Visuals show the train stranded on the track. And now, of course, I have Unaiza Qureshi with me. Unaiza, what more can you tell us about this?
So yeah, another incident at monorail shockingly, came in the morning around 7:15. It is to be noted that this is the office peak hour time, and this accident occurred at monorail. This was, in the morning 7:15 at around 7:15 a.m. Where this monorail was about to change the track, and due to some power failure, this incident happened. Right now the situation is under control. Immediately the passengers, all the passengers are safe, and they have been transferred to another upcoming train for safety precautions. This is not for the first time this had happened. So now MMRDA and authorities from monorail are investigation the main cause and taking all the precautions to get this confirmation for the safety of the passenger, that this incidents should not happen in the future, because this is not for the first time monorail is facing some such sort of incidents. It has been, every time we've seen that monorail is some of the other problems are occurring. So, but this time, yes, all the passengers are safe, and MMRDA has also given the statement that, there are no injuries and there are no passengers hurt in this accident. So yeah, very shockingly, this has came in the, in the morning where monorail met with this accident.
All right, Unaiza, stay on with me. Now, the domestic stock markets